Good day, Ma'am Sir. I'm Lilibet Lasansindat, Filipino, high school graduate, married, blessed with 2 children, 16 years old and 13 years old. I worked here in Philippines for 5 years. I serve 2 adults and 3 children and 1 newborn baby. My duties are cleaning the house, taking care good of the children, and taking care of newborn baby. I'm cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and ironing. I worked in Malaysia for 3 years and 8 months. I served 2 members of the family, 1 bedridden, and 1 adult 70 years old. My duties are cleaning the house, washing clothes, cooking, and I'm taking care good of grandmother, bedridden 92 years old, by giving food, giving medicine, changing clothes, changing diaper, bathing. And I worked in Hong Kong for 1 year and 8 months. I served 2 adults and 1 children. My duties are cooking, cleaning the house, taking care good of 1 cat by giving food, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and sending the kid for the school. Ma'am, sir, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise to serve you. I promise to finish my contract with you for 2 years. And I thank you.